Hi folks, this is Steve Margison, author of the book on Forex Trading. I want to show you today a TIS trade on the Aussie dollar. Now, let's just have a look at the 15-minute chart first before we go on the 5-minute and 1-minute, which is where we take the TIS trades. Now, this indicator here, which is there and there, is the levels indicator, a new indicator of mine, which indicates the 4-hour high, 4-hour low, and also indicates the 1-hour high and 1-hour low. Also shows you here yesterday's high and yesterday's low. These are very important for support and resistance. Also on the chart you can see the Asian session open and the Asian session close. That's my Asian session indicator. Also tells me the length of the high and low of the Asian session. Again, good for support and resistance, in this case 63.7 pips. These indicators are invaluable to my trading. Here's the FSS Dashboard, which tells me so far today the Aussie dollar has done a range of 75. And that's really from there up to there, and then it's fallen off again. Now there's a good short here on the TIS. So I've looked at the 15-minute chart, and I've seen we've got a 4-hour high here that's been hit. Can you see? That's holding. So I'm thinking, have I got any signal short from here showing that that's going to hold? So let's go to the 1-minute chart and take a look. Now, look, everything's starting to go red. It's starting to go red. You've got a cross to the downside here of the 15-minute tricks, a cross to the downside here, and then a new cross to the downside on the 1. When these three happen roughly simultaneously, I'll almost always take a trade. And you get that here. Okay, there, 807, 808, anywhere around there. Let's have a look. We've seen this here. Price is trying to get through the 068. It can't do it, and we know why. Because there's a big 4-hour high there, and it's reversed on that. Because it is been in a downtrend the last couple of days. Price comes through the coral from the resistance at the top here and from the 0680 sweet spot. So here we can go short, absolutely no problem at all. But let's take a look at the 5-minute chart around about 807. 5-minute chart, let's go at 807. There's 805. Price has come through the SMA and has started to fall. Now, the coral and the SMA are not in the correct order, so you've got to think about that. So you could say, right, a break of this level. You wait. If you're taking it here, then you've about 0.665. You're going to take the short. You've got a cross to the downside of this, but you don't have two red Ichimoku clouds here. You've got a red and a yellow, which means that the price is inside the cloud. So not all plain sailing on the 5-minute, but very strong signal on the 1-minute here. So you could take it for 10, 15, or you could ride it down to the next sweet spot. Okay. TIS trade, Aussie dollar. All based on the fact that I like this turnaround at the 4-hour high there. Okay, this is Steve Margison, www.sm-forex.com, and thank you for listening.